Are you going to believe me if I tell you that you can get paid over $12 for a single song that you listen to? You can do this over and over again and get paid $12 whenever you're listening to a song. That's anywhere from 2 up to 4 minutes long. You can do this on a daily basis and get paid for listening to music when you're traveling to your job, traveling to school, or just sitting in your car. Now, in fact, you can get paid for doing any exercise when you can listen to songs and get paid for doing literally anything that involves listening to music. And in today's video, I'm going to show you a website which is going to pay you this amount on a daily basis. I'm going to show you how to get to sign up, and also if you know about this website already, I'm going to show you how to get signed up very easily without any problems. But before that, welcome! My name is Finance Queen. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you love videos about making money online, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I have a new and fresh video. I upload videos daily, teaching you all kinds of different ways on how to make money online. And also, please don't forget to smash the like button on this video for the YouTube algorithm, and tell me what you think about today's video in the comments section below after you finish watching this video. With that being said, let's get started with today's video. Okay, so the website that we're going to be using is called playlistpush.com. Head over to playlistpush.com and this is the website where you're going to land. Now, just before we get started, if you already have seen this website before, then please make sure to stay until the end of today's video because I'm going to be showing you a brand new hack on how to actually get approved, because that is going to be the #1 problem with beginners. This website is going to pay you out, this website is going to make you money, but you need to know how to actually get approved. So for anyone that already knows about this website, please just wait a couple of minutes because then I'm going to be showing you the sign up process. But for anybody else that has never seen this website before, let me quickly introduce it to you. Now, Playlist Push is a website that connects artists to playlist curators. They help independent artists get their music on playlists and new playlist curators a way to discover new music. Now, the website, in short, what they're actually doing is they're advertising brand new content creators on websites like Spotify, Apple Music, or any of these music live streaming services, and they're helping them to reach a wider audience. The reason why they're doing that is because websites like Spotify are paying for every single song that we listen to. So artists are getting paid for listing their songs on Spotify, and it's in their best interest to actually reach the widest audience if they want to make the most money. Now, for artists, what they're offering is flex pricing and getting picked up. They are going to send their music to targeted groups of playlist curators. They then review the songs for playlist consideration. Now, this is what the artists are going to receive if they're going to pay to this website. But as a content curator, you are going to get rewarded just by listening and reviewing songs. You can discover new music, find out about the new music creator as music producers, and get paid for just listening to music. So just click right here to learn more about this option, and then you're going to realize that you are going to get paid up to $12 for a single song that you're going to listen to. And they offer instant payout, so you can request payout at any time, and they're going to pay directly to your bank account. Now, this is the thing with the website. They do not pay to your PayPal account for some reason. They're only going to be paying you to your bank account. So what you want to do right here is we're going to sign up and click the sign up button right here and sign me up. And then you need to fill out this application form that you're going to see right here. So enter your real name, email address, enter where you live. Now, wherever you guys are from, the thing with this website is if you're either from United States or United Kingdom, you are more likely to get approved. So if you are never getting approved before and you have tried all kinds of different ways, just go for United Kingdom or United States. That's simply what works best. Then you want to enter your real mobile phone number because they're going to send a verification code to this number. And then you want to enter your biggest playlist on Spotify. Now, this is a problem with a lot of people when they're signing up to this website. They sometimes don't even have a Spotify account. So what you need to do is you want to Google search Spotify and you want to create your free account. By the way, if you're enjoying today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Now let's get back to the video. Now, what they have is a 100% free version of Spotify, which allows you to sign up with Playlist Push just like as if you were paying for the service yourself. Now, another problem again is you need to have at least 1,000 followers on your biggest playlist to actually get approved. And this is information from the official creator of Playlist Push, so you need to have at least 1,000 followers. So guys, what you need to do is you need to create your free Spotify account. Then what I want to help you with is to get these free Spotify followers so you can become a curator without any problems. So just create any kind of playlist on your Spotify account, and then I want you to comment down below with this same exact script below this video, and I want you to follow some other people that are going to be commenting below this video. Now the script to get free Spotify followers is simply this. You just enter a Spotify playlist name right here. So if you're going to create a Spotify playlist about your favorite music, just enter it right here, and same goes for your Spotify name right here. This way, other people that are watching this video can go ahead and follow a couple of people below this video, and they can also list their own playlist and get even more followers to their Spotify playlist. This is the way that you can actually get over 1,000 followers in no time at all, because hopefully this video is going to get more than 1,000 views, and that way we can all grow and become curators on Playlist Push. Now, using this tactic, you're going to get the real followers from real accounts that are going to be listening to music, and you should have no problems to get approved as a playlist curator. And as you can see right here, the basics of the campaign pricing comes from anywhere from $450 up to $1,000 depending on the campaign. Now this is the amount of money that artists are paying to Playlist Push, and from this amount of money, Playlist Push is going to be paying you out. So you can see exactly where the money is coming from. You don't have to watch any ads, you don't have to watch any advertisements or click on any buttons. You simply listen to songs. You're going to add them into your playlist, and you're going to write a short, honest review. And this way you can get paid over $12 for a single song that you're going to listen to. And the best part is you can listen to them on your run, like 10 songs at once, then come home, write all the reviews at once, and just collect your payout. And that's about it for today. Thank you for watching, and hope you get a lot of value from today's video. And just before you go, don't forget to leave a like and be sure to subscribe for more. Also, let me know what you think about today's method by commenting down below. And to watch even more videos, check out any of them that are going to pop up on the screen right now. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.